Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. Peace be upon you. Welcome to Minutes to Paradise. What is Zabiha? Zabiha refers to meat that is slaughtered in accordance with Islamic dietary laws, as specified in the Quran. The process of slaughtering animals for consumption in Islam is known as Dhabiha or Zabiha. The procedure involves pronouncing the name of Allah, God, at the time of slaughter, and ensuring that the animal's throat, windpipe, and blood vessels are cut in a specific way by a Muslim who is of sound mind and has reached the age of maturity. Zabiha meat is considered permissible, halal for Muslims to consume, while meat that does not meet these criteria is considered haram, forbidden. This practice is similar to the kosher method in Judaism, where there are specific rules for the slaughter of animals for consumption. The purpose of Zabiha is to ensure that the meat is prepared in a manner that aligns with Islamic principles and to promote humane treatment of animals. It is an important aspect of Islamic dietary laws, and many Muslims seek to consume Zabiha meat to adhere to their religious beliefs.